everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to the Sticker Guru channel. I know it's been a minute since we've posted on YouTube, but I really want to get back into posting unboxings of our subscription box because I know I've missed a few months and I'm thinking of actually re-recording those just so that I can upload them and you guys can see what the previous months were. But I am going to be sharing this month's subscription box. I can't believe it's already May. This year is almost half over, which is crazy to think about, but I'm really excited for this month's box. I love how it turned out. It's so gorgeous. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the unboxing. For a little context, our monthly subscription box is $24 for subscribers and you get all of these amazing stickers. It is seriously a ton of stickers. I believe the retail value is a little over $60, so it's a great value. You get a lot, and so let's go ahead and do the flip through, starting with our foiled stickers. Every month you get 6 sheets of foiled stickers and they're always matching with a theme. So this month's theme is called Tranquility. So first up, we always have some sort of date dot. This month's it's called Leaf Date Dot. Super cute, and all of these designs are exclusive to our subscription. Next up, we have this really cute lotus deco, and I'm pretty sure the foil that we picked for this month is a light gold, although it kind of looks a little silver, so I may need to double check that, but super pretty nonetheless. Then we have some self-care activities. I absolutely love this sheet. It has lots of different self-care tasks on here. So we have yoga, meditation, take a bath, read a book, journaling, talk to a friend, listen to music. This one is mindfulness, practice gratitude, massage, and walking. And whenever I am in need some self-care, it's always Netflix and eating some cookies and maybe also working out. So those are my self-care activities. Next, we have yoga poses. I love going to yoga. I've been really into yin yoga lately, but in the past I've really liked doing yoga sculpt classes. So we have this sheet, super cute with all the different yoga poses. Next, I realize this is missing our logo for whatever reason, but we have a spa day little icon sheet. So a bunch of different spa day icons, super cute. And then this is some inspirational quotes, which again, so freaking cute. And this, looking at it, it does look like a light gold, but it is coming up a little bit more silvery on camera. Okay, next, moving on to some deco sheets. You get 2 deco sheets. One of them is a floral sheet to match with your spread, and then we also have a deco sheet here, which has a bunch of different self-care and spa items. So cute. And then we have a journaling card, which I absolutely love our journaling cards. I think they turn out so cute every single month. It's blank on the back. I personally like using our journaling cards as a thank you card. I also like putting these up on my fridge or like a little bulletin board. They're just super cute and I like to switch them out monthly. Next, you have a journaling kit. So it comes with 2 sheets in this kit and it has a little bit of everything. So we have your classic journaling elements. So we like the torn pages, a little faux stamp, some faux wax seals. You have more deco in here, and then some various sized boxes and frames. This little Polaroid frame, which is super cute. You have some washi strips, and then on this sheet you have some longer washi strips, days of the week, more boxes, deco, and just little bits and bobs all over. So that's our journaling kit. And then lastly, of course, we have our 4-paged foiled weekly kit. And this really is the start of our monthly boxes, is our weekly kits. So a little close-up of the full boxes. And these are foiled. We have some yoga poses down here. Super pretty. And then the quote box just says Tranquility. I love the artwork in these. So cute and detailed. And then down here we just have some watercolor swatches. Next we have our washi and header page. So over here in this column we have 3 different types of headers. And then we have our bottom washi strips. Next we have our essentials page. So this comes with some of these faux sticky notes, which I think are super cute. Some more of these watercolor swatches. We have our date covers here in this column. Some check boxes for your to-do list, and then we have some sidebar stickers. So we have 2 habit trackers, a weekly sticker, and then this one is just blank, so you can write whatever. And then down here we have some scalloped circles that are, of course, foiled. And then lastly, the 4th page in this kit is all boxes. So we have a variety of different sized boxes, and then also some fun shaped ones up here. These are more like 1/3 size boxes, quarter boxes, half boxes, and then we have some scalloped half boxes down at the bottom. So that is our weekly kit. I think this month's box turned out super cute, and if you want to grab it, it's currently on sale for a one-time purchase. If you don't want to subscribe, for subscribers it is $24, but if you want to get it as a one-time purchase, it's currently $27 this weekend only. So definitely go and grab this while it's on sale. You seriously get a ton of stickers that will last you more than a week, so highly recommend grabbing our subscription. It is just too good to pass up, and every single month we have a new theme, and I'm really excited for the themes that are coming up in the next few months. So make sure you to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.